Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening your project and confirming required settings so the build succeeds. First, set the application ID, version code, and version name in the module build file because the bundle uses those metadata fields. Once done, verify you have a signing key store with alias and passwords. This ensures you can sign the bundle for release. Make sure the project compiles. Fix any lint or compile errors now, because creating a bundle without a clean build will fail later. Next, open build, then generate signed bundle or APK and pick Android app bundle so Google Play can optimize device installs. When prompted, select your key store or create one, enter the alias and passwords, and set key validity. This signs the output and proves ownership. Choose the release build variant, set minify and resource shrinking if you want smaller size, and supply ProGuard/R8 rules. After you confirm, Android Studio compiles and produces the OB file in the outputs directory. Finally, locate the generated OB in app/build/outputs/bundle/release and confirm it's signed and within expected size. You can use Bundle Tool to create an APK set for local testing or upload directly to the Play console internal test track so you verify device installs. If something goes wrong, look at the build output. Common issues are missing resources, mismatched signing keys, or misconfigured build types. As a key tip, ensure the key store alias and passwords match exactly between builds to avoid signature errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.